Okay, we'll go back on the record. We have the same appearances. Still on the state's case in chief. State your next witness.
Detective Jake Pushnig.
Do you solemnly swear that the testimony you give in this matter will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
You can please be seated, state and spell your name for the record.
What unit are you assigned to?
I am assigned to the homicide unit
How long have you been a detective assigned to the homicide unit?
since 2017.
Were you involved in the investigation into the disappearance of Sade Robinson?
I was.
Was one of the roles you played in that investigation to attempt to retrieve or review video from the area of downtown Milwaukee?
It was.
Had you and your department been informed that Miss Robinson, at some point in the evening of April 1st, 2024, went to the Twisted Fisherman restaurant?
Yes.
And were you given approximate times that Miss Robinson was believed to be at certain places?
Yes.
After departing Twisted Fisherman, where was it believed that Miss Robinson had traveled to?
She traveled to Water Street, which is Duke's on Water.
Is that a bar?
That is a bar.
It's on the corner of what?
Water and Juno.
There are a number of different bars, taverns on that stretch of Water Street, correct?
Correct.
Did you attempt to, did your department retrieve video from Duke's on Water that in fact confirmed that Miss Robinson had gone there?
Yes.
Did you also try to get video from a City of Milwaukee camera that is situated on Water Street?
Yes.
Where is the camera that you tried to get video footage from?
It is a Milwaukee Police Department pole camera, which is on Water and Highland.
Why does your department have pole cameras up and down Water Street?
Because Water Street is a busy area during bar hours, and we want video of what is going on.
It's a bar district, right?
Correct.
And have you utilized these cameras before?
Yes.
There are pole cameras in other parts of the city as well, but they tend to be in places more frequented, correct?
Correct.
Did you in fact get video that showed the time and manner by which Miss Robinson arrived on Water Street?
Yes.
How did she get there?
In a 2020 Honda Civic.
Was she driving it?
She was.
And was she with anybody?
Yes.
Okay. And this pole camera footage that you got, did it capture the exact times that Miss Robinson arrived and left in the Honda Civic?
It did.
Give me 1 second here. All right, I'm going to pull up on a disc marked Exhibit 237. There are 3 video clips. All right, Detective, why don't you orient us a little bit?
Yes. So what you are looking at is Water Street. You are looking northbound on Water Street. You see a red building on the top left corner, and then there's a security car on the top right corner.
Where I'm circling?
Yes.
All right, and then the red building here?
Yes.
And so the intersection that would be sort of on the bottom of the screen here, although you can't see it on the camera view, would be Highland, right?
That is correct.
The next street up north, as we're looking, would be Juno?
Correct.
And where is Duke's on Water related to this camera footage?
It is the top left corner. So Duke's on Water would be the northwest corner on Water and Juno.
So basically, to get to Duke's, one would simply walk up this sidewalk here, cross the street at the next intersection, and it's right there.
Correct.
And what are we going to, where should we be looking here when I'm gonna play this?
You should be looking at the security card, which is on the top right corner, which is on the east side of the street.
There's no date and timestamp on the video frame, right?
Correct.
But what timestamp are we looking at? Or what time is this video from?
This video is from April 1st, 2024 at 6:31 p.m. and 59 seconds.
Okay. I'm going to advance this video clip and I would move 237 into evidence.
Any objection?
No.
Received.
I'm going to advance this video clip to 1 minute and 10 seconds. So if we go 1 minute and 10 seconds into the video, we would be taken up to approximately what?
You'd be taken up to approximately 6:33 p.m.
And were you aware of the approximate time that Ms. Robinson departed from from Twisted Fisherman in her Honda Civic?
I do not.
Okay. I'm going to play this video from 1 minute, 10 seconds. What do we see?
You see the Honda Civic.
It just pulled up on the right side of the screen here.
Yes.
The security car did what?
Security card took off. It went northbound on Water Street.
Did someone just get out of the front passenger seat?
Yes.
I paused it at 2 minutes, 15 seconds. Not Miss Robinson, right?
No.
Playing from there. And now what's happening?
Now Miss Robinson is getting out of the driver's seat.
And where are they walking to?
They are walking westbound on Water Street.
They check the door of that tavern,
Correct.
not open, right?
Yes.
Okay, and then where do they go?
They go northbound on Water Street.
Off camera?
Yep, off camera.
Pausing it at 3:07, so this would have occurred around 6:33 p.m.?
Yes.
I'm going to advance the video, and if you look at the bottom, you see that the clip is a total of 2 hours, 38 minutes, and 41 seconds, correct?
That is correct.
Advancing the video to 2 hours, 32 minutes, 40 seconds. All right, it's now clearly nighttime, right?
Yes.
What time would this be about in real time?
This would be approximately 9:04 p.m.
Playing at 2:32:40. All right, paused at 2:34:05. Summarize what we just saw.
You seen the two individuals that walked that way. They came back to the vehicle. They got inside the vehicle, and then the vehicle then drove northbound on Water Street.
I have it picking back up at 2:32:40 at the beginning of that clip I just played. At this point, we see the two individuals walking, Miss Robinson, right?
Correct.
Okay. Now, when she approaches the car, I paused it at 2:32:56. Does it appear she hits a key fob of some kind?
Yes,
And how are you making that determination?
because the rear tail lights, there's two blinks on the rear tail lights.
Two blinks?
Yes,
Okay. I'm gonna play it at 2:32:56. Right there?
yes,
Okay. Paused at 2:33:07. The two blinks, in your experience, that would be consistent with like someone hitting the unlock button on a fob?
yes.
All right. Then they drive off. That's about what time?
About 9:04, 9:05-ish.
Miss Robinson gets into which seat?
She gets into the driver's seat.
Does she appear to be struggling to stand or walk in that brief period you can see her walking there?
No,
I'm going to play the next clip. That first one is video title. It's the only one that says Water and Highland on it. The next one is going to be a clip that is titled, in the title it says Water Juno. And it's camera, and then it says camera dash 02. All right, we're looking at what now?
now you are looking at a camera on Water and Juno. The camera view is facing southwest.
And Dukes is on this upper corner here in the right.
That is correct.
Playing this clip, it's 56 seconds. What are we seeing?
The same individuals that got into the Honda Civic exited Duke at approximately 9:03 p.m. and are now walking southbound on Water Street.
And he puts his arm around her there, correct?
That is correct.
And they continue walking?
Yes.
She's not stumbling or anything, is she?
No, she is not.
And then the last clip. Similar angle, or similar view, correct?
Similar view, but this view is now facing southbound on Water Street from Juno and Water.
All right. So Miss Robinson's car is gonna be up here on the upper left,
Correct.
and we're gonna see them walking on the right side here, correct?
Correct.
At this point, they're on the west sidewalk,
Yes, they are in
up
the,
where my mouse is?
yes.
Okay. And now they're crossing the street?
Yes, they're crossing the street going eastbound.
And paused at 135. I'm gonna back it up from there. Did you see the two blinks again?
I did.
Okay, I'm going to play it again from 125. She gets in what seat?
She gets in the driver's seat.
All right, I'm going to fast forward the video slightly. All right, and then she pulls off northbound on Water Street.
Correct.
And that last one was Water and Juno, camera 05. I'm gonna switch gears, detective, bringing up exhibit 238, which is on a flash drive. I'm gonna start with channel 1 here. I've got this, the video is queued up to April 1, 2024, 6:36:08 p.m. is the clip I'm on right now. What are we looking at, detective? Where's this video from?
This video is from Dukes on Water.
I'd move exhibit 238 in.
Any objection?
No.
It's received.
Is the date and timestamp on the Dukes on Water video accurate or off at all?
I believe it is accurate.
Okay, so I'm gonna play this clip from 6:36:08 p.m. And for the record, when I'm pulling up the clips, I'm gonna go by the timestamp on the video screen. And the reason I'm doing that, detective, when you went through these, as I'm showing you on my screen, there's hundreds of video clips, correct?
Correct.
Some of them, and this is just channel 1, but some of them are only merely seconds long, fair?
Yes.
And some are hours long?
Yes.
Okay. And I think this, for camera 1, down in the corner, there's 214 clips, right?
Correct.
All right. You watched these clips. Were you able to determine some of the cameras just had absolutely no relevance, like they showed the basement or something like that?
Yes, the basement and storage.
Okay. All right. I have camera 1 up. This is 6:36:08 p.m. It's a 1-minute clip. What are we seeing?
You are seeing the two individuals that got out of the Honda Civic walking up to Dukes and going inside Dukes.
At 6:36 p.m.?
That is correct.
That would be consistent with them walking from their car where they parked around 6:33?
Absolutely, yes.
Pause that clip at 23 seconds. I'm going to go back to channel 1. The clip picking up at 8:30 and 10 seconds p.m. And for the record, detective, some of these clips were renamed for purposes of courtroom presentation. Is that right?
That is correct.
All right. What's happening at 8:30 and 10 seconds?
The subject who got out of the car with Sade Robinson is now outside smoking a cigarette.
You see that subject in court?
I do.
Can you identify him?
I'll stipulate.
The record will so reflect.
Is that the defendant?
Yes.
Thank you. I'll speed this up slightly. All right, stopping it at 2:18. Last clip from camera 1, picking up at 9:03 and 24 seconds. What do we see?
Now you see Mr. Robinson and Mr. Anderson leaving the bar on Dukes.
So they got there at 6:36?
They got inside Dukes at 6:36 and they left at 9:03.
Okay. I'm gonna go to channel 9. This is just a different camera of that same door, correct?
Correct.
And he's outside smoking at 8:30?
Yes.
Okay. And then if I go, this is at 8:31 and 7 seconds. Showing you exhibit, doesn't have number. I got a sticker. This is gonna be 456. What are we looking at?
We are looking at 3 different pictures. The first picture is a booking photo of Maxwell Anderson. The second photo is Maxwell Anderson on a bus. And then the third photo is Maxwell Anderson, who is smoking a cigarette outside of Dukes on Water, which is the clip that we just watched.
Okay, and the bus photo is the one that's on the screen marked 204 here, correct?
Correct.
All right, I'm gonna move 456 in as published.
Any objection?
No.
456 is admitted, and you may.
And it's just a side-by-side of those 3 images, correct?
That is correct.
Booking photo on the left, bus video photo in the middle, and smoking a cigarette at Dukes on Water on the right, correct?
Correct.
Back to the video here. Going to go to camera number 4. All right, this clip picks up at 6:36. It's very hard to see, but I think it says 30 seconds PM. Is that right?
Yes.
Okay. I'm gonna play and orient us now. Where's the entry door that they go in?
The entry door is on the left.
Off the screen to the left over here.
Correct.
All right, and where are they gonna sit?
They are going to sit on the bar, at the bar, the last 2 chairs in the bar.
These two?
Yes.
Okay. Playing that clip from 6:36 and 30 seconds. You see the bartender greeting the defendant?
I do.
Okay. Then a bouncer walks over with Sade.
Yes.
And she takes a seat.
Correct.
All right, I'm gonna speed it up slightly here. What are they doing?
They are talking to the bartender right now.
The bartender just did what?
Provided a drink to Mr. Anderson,
And now what's she doing?
making a drink for Ms. Robinson.
All right, and Ms. Robinson has just gotten up.
Yes,
Where does she go?
to the bathroom.
All right, and she returns to the bathroom at what time?
6:41:08.
I'm sorry, returns from the bathroom. And then they just essentially sit there for a while, correct?
Correct.
All right, I've got that clip paused at 6:42:08 p.m. Gonna go to the next clip. This clip picking up at 7:10 p.m. And in the time span between these, are they essentially just sitting there and talking?
Yes,
Okay. Anything notable happen?
they're just talking, drinking.
All right, we're about 7:10 and 47 seconds. The defendant's showing her his phone.
Yes,
7:11 p.m., he removes his jacket.
that's correct.
Okay. Going to advance the video to 1 minute and 50 seconds in. This is 7:12:15 p.m. What's the bartender doing?
She is talking to Mr. Anderson, and it looks like they're playing dice.
I'm going to play this in fast forward. Mr. Anderson is playing a dice game with another patron to his left, not Sade?
That is correct.
All right, and the bartender's there too, correct?
Yes.
And she's doing what?
The bartender was
Not
with
the bartender, Sade.
Sade is just sitting there.
All right, and what happened just now?
Maxwell Anderson finished his drink, and the bartender provided him with another drink.
What's the bartender doing now?
She is getting shots.
And the dice game is over?
Correct.
Did she pour one for Sade?
No.
Okay. Just the defendant and then the other person who was playing the dice game?
Correct.
And at 7:17 and 42 seconds p.m., the shots are taken?
Correct.
Okay. Gonna advance this video to 16 minutes, 43 seconds, picking up at 7:27:07 p.m. What's Sade doing?
Sade takes off her coat.
Now what's happening?
Sade stands up, and two other individuals walked past them by the table, and Sade then goes in the bathroom.
She brings her drink with her.
Yes.
Advancing this clip to 20 minutes, 33 seconds. We're at 7:30 and 59 seconds p.m. They're back at the bar, correct?
Correct.
All right. Bartender is doing the dice game again?
Yes.
Okay. And Mr. Anderson is playing?
Yes.
Sade playing?
No.
So she's not playing the dice games or taking the shots from them?
That's correct.
All right, I'm going to fast forward this. Does Mr. Anderson also have some kind of a vape?
Yes.
Okay. Appears by 7:33:52 the dice game is over?
Correct.
Okay, and the dice are kind of just sitting on top of the shake cup right here, right?
Yes.
I'm going to go to the next clip. Well, the next one is extremely short. Just 3 seconds long. And then the following clip picks up at 7:33:59 p.m., correct?
Correct.
All right. I'm going to go to 49 seconds into the clip. What is the bartender doing?
She is pouring another shot.
Looks like it probably is another shot from that second dice game.
Correct.
Okay. And who's doing that shot?
Maxwell and the other individual.
Is Sade taking a shot?
No.
Going to advance this video. I paused at 7:39:34 p.m. Advancing to 17 minutes, 48 seconds into the clip. Which is 7:51:46 p.m. What are we seeing now?
You're seeing two individuals on the right of Sade, and they're going to come over and talk to them.
Do they end up kind of hanging out with these two people for the remainder of the time that they're there?
Yes.
Paused at 7:52:38 p.m. I'm going to advance the video to 7:54:17 p.m. Mr. Anderson stepped away for a moment, correct?
Correct.
Okay. And Sade and the female are doing what?
Sade got up. The female is going to the music box, and Sade eventually goes over by the music box by the other female.
Okay, and you know from reviewing other camera angles that even though it's not on camera here, what is there is what?
A music box.
Okay. At 7:55 p.m., Mr. Anderson returns from the bathroom.
Correct.
The bartender just brought over 2 pitchers of what appears to be water, correct?
Yes.
And what else did she bring over?
She brought over cups. Plastic cups.
What's going to happen next?
They are going to play beer pong.
On this red table here?
Yes, the red table that says Dukes.
Were you made aware of whether anybody had provided information to the police about Sade playing beer pong at Duke's?
Yes, there was an individual that provided that information.
Going to advance. I paused at 7:57:20 p.m. Picking up at 8:02:12 p.m. What does it look like Sade is doing right now?
It looks like she is taking a picture because you can see her phone and then you can see the red on the back of her phone.
All right, I'll back it up and zoom just briefly. So if someone had indicated that she had taken a Snapchat playing beer pong at Duke's, would this seem to suggest that that did happen?
Correct.
I'm gonna speed the video up here. She's standing there on her phone?
Yes,
Okay. Where's Mr. Anderson?
he is at the bar getting drinks.
Now what's happening?
Mr. Anderson takes the drinks over to Sade.
Okay. He brought 2 drinks over?
He did.
And one of them Sade takes and begins drinking, correct?
Correct.
Paused it at 8:04:04 p.m. I'm going to advance it to 8:20 p.m. The beer pong game finishes, right?
Correct.
Now what's happening? I have it in fast forward.
Now Sade sits down by the slot machines and Mr. Anderson sits down right next to her and they are talking.
Paused at 8:21:49 p.m. .55 p.m. Advancing to 8:33 p.m. Where are they?
They are by the bar.
And do we know from the other views, where is Mr. Anderson at this time?
Mr. Anderson is outside smoking a cigarette.
Putting it into fast forward. All right, I have it up to 8:35:42 p.m. Mr. Anderson's returned to that area where they were originally seated.
Correct.
Paused at 8:35:49. Going to advance it. 8:39:11 p.m. What are they doing?
They are now starting beer pong back up.
playing it in fast forward. Paused at 8:44:18. They're just playing beer pong, right?
Correct.
Fast forwarding to 8:45:24 p.m. Sade and Mr. Anderson are talking near the bathrooms, right?
Yes.
Okay. And then the game resumes, right?
Correct.
Paused at 8:46:01 p.m. Advancing to 8:49:18 p.m. Actually, I should have gone back a little bit. 8:49:11 p.m. What's Sade doing?
Sade then goes to the bathroom.
And she doesn't appear to have a drink anymore, right?
No, she doesn't.
Sade's back by what time?
By 8:51:18.
All right, and for the rest of this clip, do they essentially just continue to play beer pong?
Yes.
8:51:21 p.m. is where I have this timestamp, the last timestamp from this clip. I'm going to go on to the next clip from channel 4, camera 4. This clip picks up at 9 o'clock and 3 seconds. I'm going to advance it to 52 seconds. 9 o'clock and 53 seconds on the timestamp. What's happening now?
The game is over or about to be over, and eventually you're going to see them shaking hands. They're eventually going to hug, and Sade and Mr. Anderson are going to leave.
So Sade hugs the young woman she's been talking to,
Correct.
and now what's happening at 9:02 and 5 seconds p.m.?
They are putting on their coats.
Okay, that's a perfect point to stop then.